Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I'm back with another favorites video this time because you guys love my recommendations and favorites sort of video. I don't think I can do a favorites video every month because you don't end up trying out new products every month. It takes 2-3 months to change a product or try out something new. So I think I would rather do this quarterly or something. In this video, I wanted to share with you guys some of my beauty favorites lately. I've been using all of these products for the past 2 months now, and till the time I don't really like something, I don't like to recommend them to you guys. So yes, without further ado, let's jump into the video. There are various products in this cute little lot of favorites that I have here. Reusing a shoe box because why not? Why use plastic? Starting off with a facial spray I've been using a lot lately, and specifically in the past few weeks since I moved to Bombay. This is coming really handy because it's really hot and humid here. I feel like it's a product that's really good if you're out and about a lot, or if you want to just quickly refresh your skin. This is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. I think I've shared this in another video also, and I still stick by it. I think this has become a holy grail for me because I use this very often, and I'm now using it much more often because it works wonders for my skin. My skin feels amazing. So after every face wash that I do, the first thing that I use before even a serum is this facial spray, and my skin really feels very good after using it. So this is my first favorite product, guys. Moving on, guys, it's actually a product that I wasn't sure if I'll even use it. It's like the perfect affordable dupe for the MAC Strobe Cream. If you're looking for like a illuminating moisturizer, even before I use any kind of makeup, the first product that I always use is like an illuminating moisturizer mixed with a little bit of highlighter or something like that, a creamy product which is a little glowy. It works wonders for me because before I put on a foundation, I always use an illuminating moisturizer. I have been using the Bellora, sorry guys, the writing is off, but I've been using the Bellora illuminating moisturizer. This is priced at $7.99. The MAC Strobe Cream, which has been my holy grail favorite strobe cream, and it still is priced at about $27,000-$2,800. But if you're looking for a good alternative for that, the Bellora illuminating moisturizer is really nice. I'm really liking it, and off late today also I've been using it before I put on any makeup. I use it as a primer cum moisturizer to just add that glow to my skin. I think it's really nice for the price that you're paying. I think it's really good. So this is the second product which is my favorite, guys. Moving on to 3 products from the same brand because I have been loving organic skincare personally. I tried out a few products lately and I'm in love. I wanted to take you through 3 products from this brand called Ras. They have some of the most amazing organic natural products that are out there, and Ras basically one of the best taglines I have ever heard for a skincare brand. It's basically farm to face luxury skincare. I feel like their products are so rich in their nutrients, they are so beautiful in their formulation that they feel really good on the skin, and I'm really liking it. I'm a skincare junkie, as you guys know, and I love trying out such brands which are purely organic. These 3 stand out for me, so I've had to mention them here in this video. Hence, my first favorite from this brand is the Gleam Pollution and Makeup Melting Cleansing Oil lately. This is how it is. I've already used it. I've been using quite a bit of it. In fact, I use this to remove my makeup these days, and if you have dry skin like I have a dry skin, this works wonders because it removes your makeup and it is not very drying on the skin because it's oil based. Cleanses your face while moisturizing it. It has like a melting, literally makeup melting effect with olive, squalane and chamomile extract. This is a very nice, one of the most exotic makeup cleansers I've used. Smells like heaven, super nice. So guys, I will link this down below. You can read more about this brand. They're really good, and I love the fact that it comes with a pump, and you can see it is like an oily sort of face cleanser, and you can just rub it on your skin first and then use it as with a makeup wipe, or you can straight away directly put it on a makeup wipe and remove your makeup. But I feel it feels really good on the skin, and it's really nice, especially if you have dry skin. Such a makeup cleanser works very well. I always go for oil based makeup cleansers, so this is my current favorite, guys. So the next product again from Ras is their Oso Lux Liquid Lip Balm, guys. Oh my god, how much I'm loving this product, guys. This is a natural and organic lip balm with the power of precious oils and potent botanicals. They actually have tinted lip balms as well, but this classic lip balm is so good, guys. It's like a really light formulation, very mild, and it's like an oily sort of a lip balm. I use this every morning after a shower and I absolutely love it. My lips feel so good after using this. So this is the Ras liquid lip balm. If you're bored of those sticky lip balms, try this liquid lip balm. Your lips will really feel amazing. I love how this feels on the lips. Very lightweight and smells amazing. The perfect aroma of really nice oils is what this has, and love it. I'll link both of these products down below for the pricing and all the details, guys. You can check it out. Last is something you guys know I love, face oils. This face oil is something, it's like a holy grail for me. I finally found a face oil that works wonders for my skin. This is more than a face oil, it's like a beauty boosting face elixir. This is by Ras. It's, I think, one of their best selling, most popular product. This is the Radiance Elixir by Ras, and I've been using this a lot. You just take a few drops and it has this really rich glow. It adds this really rich glow to your skin. Check it out, guys. It adds a really nice rich glow to your skin. I sometimes use it in the night or in the day. Very, very nourishing face oil, and my face feels amazing. Every time I put this and sleep, I wake up with beautiful skin. I've been using this for a while and I feel it's amazing. So if there's a face oil that you guys are really looking for, you have to try the Ras elixir. It's absolutely amazing. This is a mini bottle, by the way, guys. It comes in a bigger size also, but I always recommend to pick up a mini, try it out, and then only buy a bigger size. But I've been loving it and I'm definitely getting a bigger bottle. A little bit goes a long way. This is how this is, especially with winters in Delhi. This is a product you guys really need, because the skin anyway tends to be so dehydrated and dry. A face oil like this adds the perfect glow to your skin, and it has such great nourishing properties that your skin will glow up instantly. So I absolutely love this elixir. All these three products, in fact, guys, all these three oil-based products are my current favorite from Ras, and I've been using this for a while now and loving them. If you're looking for a nice organic brand of skincare, really you have to check out Ras, because their products are amazing. The concept of farm to face is absolutely amazing, and it's really good for the skin. It has worked really well on my skin and I highly recommend, guys. Moving on is a perfume I recently got and I'm loving. You guys love my perfume recommendation. Restocked it and I thought I'll share it here with you guys. I'm loving the Miss Dior perfume. My husband traveled to Dubai and I asked him to get this for me. Oh, it smells so good, guys. I think it's one of the most mild and beautiful perfumes out there. Amazing perfume. If you're looking for that one good perfume, I always swear by the Chanel Chance, but this Miss Dior perfume is absolutely stunning. Next is a tint, guys. You all know how much I love tints. In fact, I'm wearing a tint right now. I'm always wearing a tint and I love liquid tints. My current new favorite tint is the Benefit Love Tint. I had the Benetint earlier, but since the time I was introduced to the Love Tint, look no further, guys. I think it is one of the best face tints out there. Let me show you the consistency. It's very smooth. While the Benetint was a little watery, this is a little more creamy. Check this out. It's super pigmented, guys, and blends like a dream. It is so nice. Check this out. I love this tint. I think it's one of the best tints I've bought. It's such a natural looking tint, and yeah, absolutely beautiful. Then I'm going to talk about another makeup remover product that I'm absolutely loving, and that is the Simply Nam Makeup Remover Towel. I actually have done a video, a reel on Instagram, which I'll be sharing soon, on how this works on removing makeup. All you have to do is just dampen it and remove all your makeup using it, then you wash this and you can literally use it for 1,000 washes. So far I'm really liking this product. For days when I have too much makeup on or when I don't have the time to use an oil or something on my skin, I take out this, quickly dampen it and spread it and remove my makeup quickly. Very efficient, very soft. I'm really liking this. So this is the Simply Nam makeup remover that I really recommend to you guys. Last is a bath product, guys. I love Bath and Body Works. As you guys know, I've always loved Bath and Body Works, and currently loving, this is my third bottle actually. This is the Perfect Peony. This is the Bath and Body Works shower gel that I really like. Smells so good. It's like a floral yet very subtle floral sort of a scent. Very nice. So if you're looking for a nice shower gel, try out the Perfect Peony and love it. I actually have a mist as well, but this is my current favorite shower gel, guys. Last is a lip pencil I'm really liking. I'm loving the idea of putting lip pencils lately, and this is the Chambord Velvet Touch Lip Liner Pencil. I feel like when you line your lips, your lipstick stays longer. This is like a really nice nude color. Check this out. And you know, you can anyway use a lighter nude lip color in the middle, but just line your lips with a little darker lip liner. It gives a very nice definition to your lips. So this is the lip liner I'm loving. This is the Chambord lip liner in the shade BR01. I think I ordered it from Nykaa. It's very smooth for sure, like a deep brownish nude color, and works very well as a lip liner. So this is my last favorite product, guys. That brings me to the end of this beauty favorites video. These are a few of my favorites lately that I'm really liking, and they have really been working very well on my skin. And yeah, let me know if you try on any of these products. I definitely highly recommend the RAS products. If you're looking for good luxury skincare, some skincare that really feels like earthen and really nice, try out the RAS products and they will not disappoint you. I've had a really good experience using their products. That brings me to the end of this video. I will link each of these products down below for you guys to see and buy. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you. Bye.